Bathroom vocabulary. Shower, sink, faucet, bathtub, toilet, soap, toilet seat, toilet paper holder, mirror, cabinet, liquid soap, conditioner, body wash, toothbrush, toothpaste, mouthwash, shampoo, hand towel, towel, bath towel, bathrobe, washcloth, hairbrush, razor, straightener, cotton swab, shaving cream, hair dryer, cotton ball, tweezers, toothbrush holder, trash bin, laundry basket, nail clipper, soap dispenser, plunger, air freshener, shelf, toilet paper, tissues, bath mat, shower curtain, loofah, scale, lotion, perfume, first aid kit, showerhead,